guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. Well, I'm super excited because if you're a course creator or if you make video tutorials, stuff like that, and you need to create a quick intro on the fly, then this video is for you. Now, just recently, I started working on a course that I'm about to release that also comes with a template, a done-for-you template. So I'm really excited about that. I've been working on it the last couple of days, and I realized that I was kind of in a jam because I was like, if I'm going to do these tutorials, I want to have a cool little quick intro on the front of my training video. And so I was like, oh, do I really want to go to Fiverr and, start now, wasting time trying to look for the right vendor and all these things. And then it came to me. I was like, I already have the tool to do exactly what I need to do. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I created a simple, quick little video intro on the fly using a tool that I already have at my disposal, and I'm going to show you how you can do it too. So if you want to learn how to create a professional looking video intro or a training course or a video tutorial without having to spend time looking for someone to outsource it to, then keep on watching. Alright guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. Alright guys and gals, so really quickly, I've been working on this training course that I'm about to release that also comes with a downloadable, done-for-you share template. It's a share funnel. So I'm really excited about that. But in the process of creating the course, I learned a bunch of things about, creating a course using the BUILDERALL e-learning center, which is the tool that I use to build my business. Also, I realized that, I wanted it to look like really, feel pro. But I didn't want to waste time. I just didn't have time to waste. I got to get this course out there. I don't want this to be, 2-3 months long. It's going to be value packed and easy to consume, but I want it to look good. So I was like, okay, I need to get a video intro done so that the training videos look good. And then I realized, wait a minute, I already have that tool, and it's called the BuilderAll Mockup Studio. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cool video intro in just a few minutes using the BuilderAll Video Mockup Studio, which is already included in your BuilderAll membership. Now, if you've never heard of BuilderAll, BuilderAll is an all-in-one digital marketing solution to help you build your business online. Right now, I'm in the process of creating an e-learning course, a funnel with a super checkout system, and all my training videos, and I've been able to do, oh, and by the way, yeah, my email as well. Hello. So I've done everything using BuilderAll. I haven't had to use any other major software to create my course other than I'm using Canva, which I'm going to show you really quickly as the tool to create the image, and then obviously iMovie to produce the intro. So I'm going to show you how I do that. But outside of those things, the main components of this project, which is the e-learning center, the email, the funnel builders, the super checkout, the mock-ups for my product, and for the video intro, I did it all with BuilderAll. So if you want to check out BuilderAll, I will have links right below this video that you can check out. You can either check out BuilderAll for just $1, or if you want to just go all the way and do the funnel club, I also have links for that right in my description box below. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you how to create a super simple but professional looking video intro for your next tutorial or course training video. All right, guys and gals, now let me show you how cool this is. So here we are in my BuilderAll back office, and I'm gonna go look for the Mockup Studio right in here. So let's go to the Mockup Studio, and we're going to go through the options that we have to do video intros. Now look at these cool new video intros we have. So if you have an agency, there's videos here that are like for dentists, or there's different things over here, but I just wanted a cool video intro for my training course. So I'm gonna come over here, and I'm just gonna filter this through video, okay? So that'll bring out all the video options that I have. Now, I loved this one. It's called the Glitch Intro. If we check out the Glitch logo, it looks like that. It looks really cool, right? Here's another really cool one, the Triangles Intro. So let's take a look at it larger. This one's really cool too. This will make a really cool video intro. Okay. And there's a couple of other ones over here. Like there's this one too. If you are like, I don't know, this one's like, looks like a wine bottle of some sort. But it's really cool. So all you have to do is like upload the logo, add the music, and you're good to go. So the first thing we want to do is I am going to use the glitch intro. Okay. So the first thing you have to do is, what are the dimensions that you have to upload into this media file? So we need 1280 by 720. So keep that in mind. So then you want to use a design program of some sort. I'm going to use Canva, and I'm going to create a new design. Let me get this out of here. Create a new design. And let's just verify that again. It's 1280 by 720. Okay. So we're going to custom size 1280 by 720. You're gonna see how fast this is. Create a new design. Boom. Okay. So then I'm gonna go ahead and I am just going to upload a logo. You should have a transparent icon, okay? Otherwise it's not gonna work. You need, and that's why I use Canva too, because I can remove the background at the end. So let's just say this is our logo, okay? Now you can add some text if you want. You can add some additional text, put it down here, whatever, but I just want to show you the sample, okay? So this is an icon with a clear background. So we're gonna just call this sample video intro. And then I'm gonna download it as a PNG, and you have to click on transparent background. So let's go ahead and download this. And that's gonna download that into my download folder. Okay, and I'm gonna come back here into the design studio, and I am gonna upload that piece of media. So I'm gonna go to downloads, and I'm gonna upload this, and I'm gonna bring it up in here. Okay, and you can add text if you want. I'm not gonna do that. You can, but we're just gonna keep it really, really simple for the sake of this video. Okay, so now we're done. So we're gonna click on done, and we're gonna click on see mockup. And it's going to produce the video for us. So let's give that a chance. It's going to take a minute to render, but then we're going to press the play button. How cool does that look? All right, but wait, there's more, because we're going to download it and we're going to add a quick little piece of music to it, okay? So we're going to just knock it out of the park. So let's go ahead and download this, and we're going to call it Gear Intro. Okay, now I use iMovie because I'm a Mac girl, so I don't know what, like video production software you use, but whatever video production software you use, just do the same process, but in your video editing software. So let me go ahead and open iMovie real quick so we can finish out this intro. And how long has it taken us? Like maybe what, 3-4 minutes? So let me go ahead and show you how to add some music. All right, so I've opened up a new project in iMovie, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drag that download into the movie editor. Okay, so there it is. So now I want to go to my audio files and I want to select one. I really like Star Drive Engaged. This one's really cool, right? So I'm going to use this one. Okay, but you can check other ones, but this little video is only 4 seconds, so you want to keep it around that time too. You know, you don't want to get one that's too long and then you have to edit. So let's see this one too. This one, Warp Engineering. You can do something like that too. Nah, I don't like that one. All right, so I'm going to do this. All right, so we're going to bring this one in. Okay. We're going to bring this in, and I'm going to add a quick transition just to give it a little bit more of an effect. And that's it. Oh, let me go ahead and put the cross blur at the end. And that's our intro. Voila! It took just a few minutes, guys and gals. So you can get really creative and create your own little intros. So let me show you exactly the one that I created for my course, which you will be seeing soon because I will be releasing it soon, so that you can see the final outcome of the one that I did myself. So here's my intro showing you the exact process I just taught you. Pretty cool, right? All right, guys and gals, well, I hope that you enjoyed that video. I think it's so cool. I think it looked so cool. I was able to put my logo in there, put a little bit of text, run it through the mock-up studio, and it looked amazing. And then, of course, add the music in iMovie. It looked really, really awesome. And I did it in it literally took me, I think, like 10 minutes to put it together. So I'm really happy about it. I think it looks great. My training videos look great, and I'm really happy about it. And I didn't have to waste any more time, you know, because sometimes that's what keeps us from getting off the ground. The time that it takes to now, I got to find someone to outsource to do this. I got to pick the right vendor. You know, it could take 2 or 3 days for them to get back with me, you know, and then, you know, all those things, you know, they don't have to be overcomplicated. You can just do a simple intro, and it makes your course look and feel great and professional. So tap into the tools that we already have available to us inside of Builderall. And again, if you want to check out Builderall, I will have links for you right below this video. And if you want to check out my upcoming course, I will be sharing more about that very soon as I have it available for the public. So make sure that if you like this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel, which will be very soon. I'll be sharing about the course and the template very soon, so make sure to check that out. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye.